Hello, hello, hello. 23rd of June 2025. This is Monday. I did take short yesterday night, Sunday night, from here. That push into 93. So I banked on that thing. I tried twice. I got stopped on the first one, and then covered into 93.75. That's why I got a $500 already, $470 up on a day. Today, no stupid trades, patience. I did miss that drop into yesterday's low. I wanted to trade London, but I just couldn't get up. I went to sleep so late. So yeah, half asleep. It's not the ideal scenario to trade, but 3 o'clock. That's the London Open here. Straight up. I mean, straight up. Not really straight, but good push, continuation, and then we dropped. So, what's the plan today? I mean, as everybody knows, we had a US strike on Iran, and it was a busy weekend. Now they're talking about Strait of Hormuz. That Iran might just block it, and China might not mind it. So time will show. That will be definitely a blow to the markets, as that Strait of Hormuz is responsible for over 20% of trading goods, mainly oil. So we have to be careful there and watch the news. I mean, hear the news. What else? We do have news today at 9:45. Flash manufacturing PMI. So this could be a mover. And definitely will be a mover. And existing home sales at 10. Well, I don't know about that one, but so I'm probably gonna wait till 9:45 before taking any trades. Our plan is today pretty simple, as always. It's just about being patient, really. Restart. I don't want to restart anything. So let's have a look. What do we see here? Yes. So we had that overnight drop. They bought it immediately. They have collected a lot of liquidity. Look at that. Low of 16th of June. So that's a weekly low. They took that bounce. Technically we made 2 legs up. Let me measure this thing. Leg 1. How far can we go on this thing here? And leg 2. This shit works, man. This shit works. So we had 2 legs. They sold into that pulp as well. what was that, 11.45? So yeah, they did sell or they didn't. Let me have a look quickly. They didn't, but Nasdaq did. So we have SMT with, I think I even had this SMT, there you go. So we have SMT with Nasdaq. What that means, they covered, I mean, they sold into this push and they don't need to push higher. ES hasn't sold, but Nasdaq's gonna weigh on us. Nasdaq will be a problem to go higher. Well, they did drop. They collected a lot of liquidity, basically from 1 o'clock. So we might push one more time. Yeah. Got 5 minutes to open. Time for coffee. So let's think how we're gonna play this. I'm gonna switch to ES. How are we gonna play that today? So definitely buyers stepped in here. They bought this. We do have 1, 2, 3 levels of low resistance liquidity. That means market could push into that to sell. Are they gonna do it at the open? I don't know. Are we gonna dip one more time into the 6,000 level? I don't know. But the thing is that we can play it like that. If we push above, come back down here, then I might buy that for a push into yesterday's high. It's one of the scenario. Second scenario is we'll drop at the open because of the SMT that we have with Nasdaq. We might go even lower here to grab this Asia and just turn around, and that will be a buy again for push into London. So let's just make it blue like that or green. So I got 2 scenarios. Or maybe the other way around, we'll do it. We're gonna make this is going to be green, and that's gonna be red because we're gonna be selling first. I want to focus only on the first 1 hour and a half from the open. So do they have a reason to go lower? Well, only the SMT, but at the same time they could push into this. There is one more scenario as well. We will push up here perhaps here. Let me just perhaps here, and then we won't be able to take this London high, and then we drop. So and then continue up. I guess 2 kind of scenarios. patience is the key at the moment. And if we look at Bookmap, we do see a couple of levels down here waiting. So I think what the level is, yeah, 6,000 is here, and then 91, 92, this sort of. Okay, market is open. Let's watch the market now. First initial move to the downside. We are taking that fair value gap here. Are we inverting it? Looks like Nasdaq did sell here. I could play that to the downside. Risk off scenario. Straight 10 points down. Wow, that's quick. God damn it. Can we see? Okay, they did dipped into this fair value gap, but that doesn't mean much. I think I might try with 5 contracts. 6,000 is possible. Well, let's watch that. What they're gonna do now. Are we gonna invert that fair value gap one more time? Looks like Nasdaq is still weighing on it. I'm gonna try short here.
Order filled.
I see Nasdaq wants to go lower. Okay. Stop loss. Has to be somewhere here. Target. I think target is definitely yesterday's low. We're gonna have to close that a little bit. I'm taking this trade only because it's quite dynamic. Momentum is down pretty much. That's the reason. Okay, stop loss break even. I don't care if it comes back up. It stops me. It's fine. Breaking like that. Got to hold this, man. It's just only 5 contracts. MES. This could be a little bit of problem here. A little bit of support. But looks like they want to go. Just want to go. Okay, Nasdaq took the low. This could be a problem now. But the US has to take that low as well. So it looks like Nasdaq, we're gonna go much lower on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is about to hit at yesterday's low. Should I take it? I should take something off. bad. Delta minus 1,200. That's not a lot of delta, to be honest. Yeah, well. Let's hold it. If we stop, we stop. That's fine. We'll re-enter it higher. We can even give a little bit of space. Give a little bit of space for this trade to develop. Technically, has to be somewhere. God damn it. Okay, this is the place where I'm gonna
Order
end
filled.
and move my stop loss even higher. I wanna see if this is delta is 500. Oi, 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 oi. God damn it. Over 9 points. Okay. Looks like they got me. $700 delta.
Order filled.
Man. Yeah, well. Greed. Okay, well, let's just let it go then. Swallow that pride. Swallow that ego. Yeah, I mean, technically you should have fucking closed because of this. It's just, I wasn't trading points. I was trading P&L. Wanted to get some more money, and I paid for it. Right, so Nasdaq has got a reason to go higher now because of that. ES wants to sell. Alright, I'm gonna go along here. Let's see. This breakout, I think we might just push into 40. Nasdaq should follow. ES wants to cover into that high. I just need to do something here. Yeah. Got 5 more minutes. I'm gonna
Order
add.
filled.
They want to rush into that Asia high or London high. This is London high. They will rush into that the last 5 minutes. Yeah. Got some levels at 35, so let's not go up to 35, 36. Yeah. Let's not be too greedy. Don't want to be too greedy. We'll do something like this. So 5 here. We'll try that. Okay. Come on, Nasdaq. We'll have to wait for the news. Oh, they will push before the news, or they're gonna push through the news. Yeah. Pump now. $45. Okay, we'll have to hold for news. 37, so 38. A little bit of panic.
The market is open.
They need to deliver up. No point to go lower now. They already made a manipulation. Come on, you almost got me there.
The market is open.
Okay, got 35, 36, 37. Liquidity is up here. Unlucky that I didn't get filled on that. Nasdaq is pushing. I'm just gonna push it a bit higher because now they'll try to squeeze through that. And we can even try to get that Asia London high. Come on. God damn it.
Order filled.
Alright, thanks. We got space to this 39, 40. Delta looking positive. We should hit that level up there. Definitely there will be a bit of front running, so I don't know if I'm gonna hold, but I'm thinking with a good energy we'll push through that and hit that 40. Nasdaq is pumping as well. Yeah, it's just that's a silly thing to be almost 10 points up, and I was looking because I was small here. That's why I was just looking to get more. And you have to take. I was even saying something like I have to take something off, and I didn't. Market reversed on me. I added. It's fucking trading, man. This is what happens. You might be right. 10 points. You didn't take the money, and then it is what it is, right? So I'm expecting a bit of front running somewhere here, like a 1 point in front of the level. Hmm. You know what? Let's not be too greedy. What is it? 19. Yeah, like 1 point in front of it. I'm gonna take that. I said take that
Order
fucking thing.
filled.
We're back where we were. Pretty much at the front running. 1 point in front of the level. I will try to buy this one more time somewhere here. And we will go probably, yeah, somewhere here. A little bit of front running. That always happens. Let's see if I can get that dip and then we hit this higher. Trading is easy. You just need to follow, respect your risk, swallow your pride, and just don't do stupid things. Don't revenge trading like I do sometimes. Come on, get down there. Like for example here, I knew it will dip. You know, usually the 50% of the fair value gap is a good level to get in. But you know, I got greedy. I wanted a little bit more. Didn't get it. But I'm not gonna chase this up here. We might get one more dip because we got time now. We got 9 minutes. 9 minutes till that 15-minute top. Yeah. And I still see a little bit of liquidity. 32. We're trying to get 33. So I see at 32. 32, 33. There is a bit of liquidity waiting to get filled. And we have time. So we could even go to 32. Yeah, somewhere here. Hopefully we'll get filled. I'm watching Bookmap basically, just checking. Do I see liquidity there? 32.50. 30. Yeah, that's 33. Will be. Might not get it. So, very big mistake. Nasdaq taking low, making SMT again. That's SMT one more time. Yes, didn't have to do it. It's just SMT. And then greed kicks in. Do I have SMT here? I don't. Let's make it SMT. Dotted or dashed? I think it was dashed. Yeah. Center. And yeah, let's just save this as well. SMT. Save as SMT. Yeah, now pushing into this level. There you go. Greed, and there was another 5 points. And I didn't take that. It's fine. That's fine. Come on, man. I don't get that sometimes. Just cancel. doesn't want to cancel. Sometimes this thing doesn't work properly. God damn it. My internet's shit. Could be. Okay. Works better now. Okay, well, it is what it is, guys. 150. I think I was around $200 up here. Didn't take it. Got greedy. Paid 300 something. Or 260, I think I paid. I don't know. Nasdaq looks like it's got some space to go higher. ES wants to go higher. But I still see 35, 32 liquidity, so what's the next trade? Okay, so we are playing this one. I mean, they did dip. We're playing that. And we'll be trying to get long again for pushing to the yesterday's high. ES finally sold. And ES sold as well into that level here. So no longer SMT, weighing. This has been used. This level has been used. Question is what Nasdaq is going to do now. Let me put some levels. Don't need that. That's the dip. 32 would be nice. Don't know if I can get that. For basically that drop. Yeah, somewhere here to 32.75, 32. $58 pass. We got 2 minutes on this rotation. This is the breakout. Alright, Nasdaq sold into that one, it's fine. But they got more, way more. I'm not gonna even mark that. Let me quickly have a look on Nasdaq volume profile. Alright, that's not a lot of volume here. ES is pumping. Okay, we got the breakout on ES. $59 past. 15 minutes candle down. Okay, so as well we have to measure IB initial balance trade. Is this? Oh, look at that, man. Should have fucking stayed in this trade. Should have, would have, right? It's okay. It's okay. It's just a burst of stop loss. The stop loss is popped. Existing home sales. Let's have a look quickly. Yeah, market doesn't give a fuck, to be honest, about this news. It's all about the war now.
Also, the US May national median home price for existing homes is up 1.3% at $422,800.
So what are we gonna do? Got the breakout. I don't want to chase this. I need a pullback.
We have posted out the existing home sales May report on the feed for those interested.
Nasdaq wants to go high. Everything wants to. This is breakout trade. That's the trade we were talking about here, and then maybe like this, maybe like that. We'll see. Well, looks like a train is gone. So that was a good trade overnight that I took. Made the money. This was just one loss, one win, pretty much break even. Now we have to wait for an opportunity.
We have posted out a live video of Feds Bowman speaking on the feed for those interested.
But I think, because delta is pretty big, man. Look at this, 1,800 delta. Don't know if you can see this. 1,800 delta. There is this obvious level here that they want to go.
We've also posted out Feds Bowman's full speech on the feed.
God damn it. How'd you get in?
Bank of England's Governor Bailey says reforms quantitative easing plan not a reliable income source. US yields fall further after Bowman says a July rate cut is possible.
It's just pump. Constant pump. You can't get into this. It's just
Feds Bowman in the text did say that she would support a cut in July if inflation remains subdued.
might get something like this. Some sort of, and then maybe a little bit of drop. That's gonna be a lot of waiting to get in.
Bank of England's Governor Bailey says quantitative easing protected tax revenue.
6 past.
So these comments from Bailey are coming from a letter to Reform Deputy Leader Tice.
6 past 10, 7 past 10. Any kind of pullback. I have to buy it. I see liquidity waiting at 45, 48, 50. 45, 48 and 50. This could be something here. Let me just switch to 2 minutes. Yeah, we do have this fair value gap here, which means market might get down here to fix this imbalance. 45. Tick chart above 0 line, just pumping. Just pumping. Momentum is strong. They're just gonna go, I think. They're just gonna. War news is a powerful thing. It's okay. Yeah, well, it was clearly a mistake. I have made a clearly mistake here.
This is Donald J.
God.
Trump. Yeah, it's really me.
Clearly mistake, not taking that, not taking profit down here after 10 points I was in, and seeing Nasdaq taking that low. That was just pure greed, nothing else. And as they say, hold your winners, right? Not in this case. Not in that case, mate. Hold my winner, turn it into the loser. It's okay. Happens. It happens. Yeah. There we go. Got some kind of pullback. Let's verify you got one on the 2 minute. Fucking hell, man. It's just 10 past. Are we gonna get down there or not? I don't want to go short on this thing because this can just pop in seconds. The only way is to go long. That's the only way for me. It's just first 40 minutes from the open. We haven't reached any significant level. This is 39 and we pushed to 55, so one leg down. Could be a second leg
Russia's
down.
June refinery runs on track to be the highest this year.
I can see 45, even 42. This is quite decent candle. 900 delta. Are we going to get a continuation to the downside for 12 past? I mean that thing. $45 is still waiting. This is 2 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, this is just in the pullback.
ECB's President Lagarde says interest rates' best tool is to tame inflation.
51.
So interest rates are the best tool to tame inflation.
Is selling. 50 is buying. $13 past.
Lagarde adds there are other tools in the ECB's toolbox, but we prefer to use rates.
Very shallow pullback. Delta was minus 1.2k, now it's just 700. Let's the liquidity up to 39, 30, 50, 53.
Brent crude futures fall over $1 after hitting the highest since January earlier in the session.
1 minute. That's the top of the 15-minute candle.
US 2-year Treasury yield falls after Bowman's comments, last down 5.3 basis points to around 4.322%. Keep in mind she did say that she would support a cut in July if inflation remains subdued.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try a short here into this fair value gap for the second leg down. 45. Just give more space.
Order filled. Order filled.
Russia's deputy foreign minister, when asked if Iran had requested military assistance, says we are working with Iran in various areas. It would be irresponsible to disclose the details of this cooperation. This is coming from Interfax. Again, Russia's deputy foreign minister, when asked if Iran has requested military assistance, says we are working with Iran in various areas.
Shouldn't go
it would
higher
be
than that.
irresponsible
I
to
might just
disclose
pop a
the
little
details
bit.
of this cooperation.
I'm gonna add one more.
Order
here,
filled.
because it's still valid trade, and we should go and hit that bottom here. That's what I should see. Come on, don't do that. Okay, fuck it.
Order filled.
Fuck off. Fuck off. Didn't do it.
TASS news
It's
reports
just
that Russia's
entry based
Raskov
on-
says
that
the
was,
strategic partnership between Russia and Iran is unbreakable. Iran has
Okay,
full
now
right
they
to
sold.
self-defense.
We're gonna get continuation. Yeah, we might get continuation. This trade was based on I've seen a lot of liquidity down here. I thought like, well, they might just go and grab that, but no, they didn't do it, and I paid for that. Happens, right? Good delta 1,200. Could rotate now. Let me try
Order filled.
one more time here for that drop into this
Tesla
front
shares
gap.
extend gains, last up 8.2%.
As they sold. We could pull lower. Join ask.
Order filled.
So sources say that Venezuela's second largest refinery has been halted due to a power blackout. So again, Tesla shares rising today as the electric vehicle maker launched its much anticipated driverless taxi service to
God
some
damn it.
riders on Sunday.
Some
Analysts
stupid
highlighted
trace,
the
I don't know
low
what the
key
fuck I'm
and
doing, to
limited
be honest.
nature
This
of the
is
rollout
breakout.
of this service in Austin, Texas.
This is breakout. Okay, I'll give you one quarter more. I'm just what I'm doing. I'm trying to play the failed breakout. If this fails, we got there's this pattern of the liquidity is waiting, and people are shorting and they take them up, and then they go and take the liquidity. So that's the pattern I play here. People short it and they take them up, push into to take the stop loss, and now they load the shorts and they can pull the market lower and grab the longs from here. So that's the pattern I'm
According to a
trying.
China Foreign Ministry statement, Israel attacks on Iran on the basis of a possible future threat sent the wrong signals to the
But
world.
it's a risky trade, really risky trade. But if it works, if this suddenly drops, what is going on? No internet? If this starts to drop, that's going to be fast, really fast to the downside. But it has to drop below the 55. It's just basically a failed second entry long. There you go. And now we should get acceleration to the downside. This is 2 minutes. We're watching 2 minutes. I want to watch 5 minutes. We need to break that 5. Just make new low on the 5 minute. There you go. Looking good. That is looking okay. That is looking okay. 50 is waiting, and we got 45 waiting as well. Yeah. I'm gonna
Order
add here.
filled.
Then to that, you have to fail. You're supposed to fail, right? Failed second entry long. They got 20, it's 24 past. A new candle opens. I should just dump it now. Yeah. Come on, dump it. Dump it. There's a lot of bulls jumped on that move higher, and a pullback is expected to get and grab that liquidity lower. So 355. Yeah, and now it should just start to fail.
Order
Go
filled.
ahead. Risky, but we have to be. Come on, dump it now. Could be in the last minute of this candle. There you go. There she goes. I might explain that pattern once I'm done with this trade. Yeah. Has to happen fast, because it needs to be a surprise to bulls. Bulls needs to be like, oh shit, this is not working anymore. Stop loss break even, just in case this thing is gonna snap back up. But I shouldn't. There we go. Obviously there will be front running again in front of my. I might take something off before that happens. Yeah, exactly. I have to withstand this pullback. Continuation to the downside, please.
Well, it's me again. It's Donald J.
Fucking Trump.
And if you're sick and tired of hearing my voice in this ad, which is pretty sad, all you've got to do is go real time at
God damn it, man.
financialjuice.com/.
Don't stop me on the street.
And save 67% on a subscription. A beautiful big.
Don't stop me on the strap. Tick chart is dumping. Everything is looking good, man. Everything is looking like we're gonna get that pullback. Into 45, 48, 47. Yeah. It's so difficult to short market like that. But if you know how, why not? Okay, and you kind of will open. We got 30. God damn it! Where's the 15 minutes? We need to be careful of that bit. I like that.
Order filled.
Okay, we might get another rotation. It's obviously another level here, but boy, oh boy, oh boy, do I want to be that greedy? I have to close something. I have to close something when we hit that. That's definitely... Oh shit! Not what I wanted. God damn it! I wanted to cover it, right? Okay, we're gonna cover 5 here. Now definitely stop loss break even. Dump it now. Might not dump it. Because we just hit that 15, but this is... Ah, man. It's just fresh 15 minutes. But they will bounce, they always bounce on this sort of thing. That's why I cover it. There's a chance we will continue lower. Because they want to take these longs. You know, they want to take... what they want to do, they want to steal stop losses of the longs. If you are long here, here, they're gonna go and grab your stop loss. That's what they want to do. So this whole trick was, okay, everybody got interested, there was a pullback, okay, fine, let me go long. But then it failed, the long failed. It's clearly failing right now. There are 2 options, we could just turn around, but the positive thing is that Nasdaq hasn't yet taken, this is, give me 15 minutes on Nasdaq. Nasdaq didn't take that 15 minutes, so that's a very positive thing. That means we have a reason to go lower. We have a reason to go lower. Just don't want to be stopped here. That's the... And now it's question what we're gonna do. The stop loss should be still up here, to be honest. So should add 150. We're gonna add probably. I'm gonna add something here. We have to risk, man. There's no other way. For a second leg, so that was my first leg, right? That's your first leg down. Some kind of pullback and dump into this level here. Once we hit this, we go lower because there will be a lot of stop losses. So it's only 50 delta, so still okay. Tick chart came back to 0 line. Only yes, should continue lower. Don't get me wrong, they can push into that and then turn around. That's possible. That is possible. But once we fail, we fail. So what they're trying to do, they want, okay, even more longs are thinking like, yeah, we're gonna go, we're gonna take this. we're gonna push. We're gonna push into that level. So more longs are buying, and they are selling into them. So hopefully that's what's gonna happen. Difficult trade, but good trade is always difficult, as David Paul said. Sadly he's not with us anymore. Good trade is always a difficult one, and there you go. I don't want to add because I'm pretty close here, so I'm going to keep that 7, and that's the level I'm expecting to get. Oh shit, this internet. Yeah, that's the level I'm expecting to get. Come on. What am I supposed to do with this? Just taking that 15 minutes again. Oh man. Close that thing here. Doesn't work. It's a beautiful thing. I got another computer here, so I'm gonna. So we are at 60,047 right now. I'm gonna close at 45. Stop loss is break even now. Climbing back up there. Nasdaq is trying to go higher. Okay, I'm covering 5. Just left 2. Covering 5. Because this is that's the problem with that thing. Honestly, it might pop one more time. It's very difficult. Come on, I just covered it here. Very difficult to hold because we are trading against the trend, very strong trend. But the thing is, Nasdaq still didn't take that low. ES is pulling. So I covered 5. I took, what did you take on the 5? 60? I don't know, something like that. Doesn't make sense. 60? 600 up. Probably took a little bit more than that. Because we've been taking 156. That's what we've been taking. So this trade, what I'm talking about is that you got this pullback, people jump on the short. On the first pullback like this, people jump on that thing thinking, oh, this is going up. I mean, this is going down. They take them up. This looks better on 2 minutes. They try to short this as well, and then they take them up. And I think I was short here, got stopped for some small loss. And then this is the failure. This is called a second leg long. That's supposed to be a second leg long, but it's failed. So this is so it's failed second leg or second leg. Got them second leg. Long. It's just failed second leg long. You might Google this out if you want. What happens in this, it's very powerful because you can short from here and the target is down here. Here you got the stop losses of those longs and you got the shorts got stopped on the push up here. And then you got 2 legs. Look at these 2 legs. Like 1, like 2, and technically speaking, that's your target. Yeah, because once that thing fails, it just collapses. Because a lot of longs, a lot of people are still buying that. And they're gonna get smoked on that push through that level here. Nasdaq the same, and that this can continue. It doesn't mean that you got a second leg down, and this is your target. Look at that. Tick chart is dumping. Tick chart is dumping. ES is weaker than Q. And it shouldn't go above that level. If it goes above that level, we are hitting the top. That means that was enough. I just don't like what Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq is just trying to go higher. I don't know what they're doing. The fuck? Are they gonna collapse from here? Because when Nasdaq goes down, so when ES will start to drop, these guys, they're gonna collapse from here. So it's 22,000. They're gonna drop to 50 very fast. It's gonna be 50 points drop if that's what they want to do. But it looks like they're attacking the high. They don't give a fuck, you know. Some kind of
Hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. Yeah, it's really me. And I'm gonna do a little advert for Financial Juice. You're behind the
there we go.
markets. If you're a real day trader,
Right,
go
okay.
real time.
Let's see what they got. So they wanted to sell into that and collapse after. This is what they're trying to do.
67% on a subscription.
Just
Can you
make another
believe it?
rotation
Instead
now
of,
for
a
dumping.
67% tariff, you get a discount. It's
That means that we can
huge.
add.
Very, very big, as big as my hands. Huge. Well, not as big as my
That
hands.
means that
My
we
hands
can
are bigger.
add.
What are you waiting
Yeah,
for?
let's add.
Order
Do it.
filled.
Because now we should get a really nice dump. So these guys gonna dump. These guys want to dump for a long time already. They just need the stop losses here. And I'm thinking, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking to hold it even higher. I like the fact that they didn't push through that level. That's a good thing. That's a positive because they left that level for future. This is poor high. They left this level for a future liquidity sweep on the way up. And now, if this goes, Nasdaq should take that as well. It's 46. Come on, Nasdaq, don't go up. Just dump. Just dump. It's gonna be, yeah, I mean, like, if people are buying this long and this is not gonna give them continuation, they're gonna be like, oh shit, boom, 60 points. Tick chart below zero line. We're sitting below zero line. Oh, god damn it. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Come on, mate. Dump it now. Dump it now. Oh, shut up. Adverts. Well. This is looking good. This is looking pretty good. We have to cover something into that file. Do I want to cover? I'm looking at NQ and I see NQ's got a way more to the downside. So I'm gonna be greedy this time for a good reason. That we might get a push. We might get a nice push. I'm gonna be watching that. The moment we hit this level, there you go. Okay, Nasdaq. Sorry, ES just took that. But is that enough? Because Nasdaq wants to drop as well, and it's gonna be pulling ES lower. I mean, you should call it, technically speaking, you should call it, because this is 6 points. That's the level where you're supposed to cover. And because I have only 4, I'm thinking, like, let me hold this and put my base my target on Nasdaq. Another level on ES that is sensible is this 15 minutes here. So we're most likely gonna go and hit that. Little pop, fine. It's 50 past. They got time, we got time. We have plenty of time. God damn it, just dump it. Just dump it. This is looking good. Minus 600 delta. That's a good delta on 5-minute candle. Do I want to add here? That's not a place to add. That's a place to take profit. This was a good place to add. So I'm trying to get that, extra push. We're gonna be buying something here. 50% of this. Further up. Nasdaq has got space to go lower. It's got this level and that level. That means that ES should hit this level as well. Come on, let's go down. Let's see how they're covering. You know what? I'm gonna do it with hand. I'll just market close that thing. It's okay. That's okay. The pressure is to the downside. Pressure is to the downside. You can easily go back to London High, which is down here, the blue line. There you go. There you go. There you go, boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, stop loss is popping. The pressure to the downside. Should get more. Should get more. Should get more. Another rotation. Greed, greed, greed. Oh man.
Thinking about a new career, but unsure where to start?
Greed, greed, greed. Hold your winners, right? Let's hold the winner. Hold your winners. Nasdaq needs to hit that 15-minute low. That's the place where I'm gonna take first profit, when Nasdaq hits that 15-minute low. So need that. Nasdaq needs that. See how they sold. There's no reason for them to go higher at this point. Come on, boy. Still got the level down there. Still got that level down there. Yeah. Okay,
Order
take
filled.
one, take
Order
two.
filled.
And now we're gonna dump. Come on. Sweep that liquidity. Alright,
Order
we'll take
filled.
one, just leave the rest. See if it's going to hit that or not. We're gonna just in front of it.
Order filled.
There we go. Alright. I love it. Plus 700. Okay, so we made some money. That was a risky trade, mate, but it did fucking work. Failed second entry long kind of trade. Okay, Nasdaq took that. We could start thinking about buying this again. Look what this thing is doing. Okay, I'm gonna
Order
go long
filled.
because we did take the liquidity. We should get some kind of pop. Let's see. So the big boys put the shorts up there into a short squeeze, and I'm
Order
gonna get this
filled.
cheaper. I think we're gonna hit that 39, and now they covered into the longs, and we'll be buying. But the thing is that this can just leak. It doesn't need to straight away go up. It can just leak. What time is it? It's almost 11 o'clock. Okay, this can just leak into the IB, for example, and there it can go. You never know what they're gonna do. Somehow we made it. We just closed that. Somehow we made it. So we got hit on this early trade. Instead of taking 200, we lost 200 because of greed. Now with the greed, we made some money. There you go. So the thing is, oh, what a lovely push that was. It's like you can see that ES was struck. Now we're going down, but Nasdaq still managed to climb high. God damn it. Nasdaq is crazy. Look at that. London low. London high. That's your London high. Just got back into the... Remember that? But the problem is, it's already 11 o'clock. And that is not a good moment for me to start buying, because the momentum is gone. Been trading 1 hour and a half already. And yeah, we can get a pop. Somewhere into this trap liquidity. 45. That's the trap liquidity here. Lovely pop. 5 points already. Ooh.
Well, it's me again. It's Donald J. Frickin'.
Donald J. freaking Trump. I should short here because of trap liquidity, but Delta is looking good. This volume is looking decent. There is some buying going on here, so I think I'm done. $766 up, so we made $470 at night. Somehow we managed another 300. That was fun, right? That was fun. That was fun. Yeah, failed second entry long. Failed second entry long. Supposed to be failed second entry long. What a beautiful trade that is. Anything that fails is beautiful, you know, in trading, if you're on the right side of it. Yeah, bouncing. That's a good bounce. That's a good bounce. I might try to pump it into the high, or at least here into this poor high. Let me put 15 minutes. Don't need that. Got 2 levels here. Look at that. Okay. You need to know when to walk away from the table. And that is the moment. Okay. This is Stripe Trader, 23rd of June 2025. Today we traded with smaller size and we made money. Just to summarize, mistake here, SMT with Nasdaq. You don't want to be, but the problem is like everything is happening so quickly at the open, you know. It's just SMT with Nasdaq. Where the fuck is this SMT thing? SMT. I'm pretty sure I did create one template, save as SMT. Okay. How about now? So, there you go. That's the thing that it didn't take a 745 candle, and it took 745 candle here. You don't want to hold this. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking, to be honest. I thought we were gonna get a second push, because it didn't mean, yeah, and they even hit yesterday's low. Yeah, I was just clearly greed. Clearly greed, and I paid $260 for my greed, because I added here like an idiot instead of just get break even. But it's okay, we made some money on the way up here. And we didn't buy that breakout, or maybe we bought the breakout, I can't even remember. Probably not. We got into the shorts, we got stopped once. Made some decent money on the way down here. I think I took it twice. I took it into this level and then reloaded shorts and held it pretty nice for, you know, around 10 points, 7-8 points. Look at Nasdaq. That was a good entry, right? That was a good entry. My entry was here somewhere, right? And then I decided, oh, well, I might get it cheaper, and then decided not to actually get involved. I thought we might go a little bit lower. I wanted to see what Nasdaq's gonna do at this level. Yeah. You witnessed real trading for good and bad. See you tomorrow.